Hello and welcome to AI News Connect. I'm Harry, your guide to the latest and greatest developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Today is April 17th, 2025, and we've got an exciting update packed with big headlines from across the AI landscape, including major industry investment, dramatic research breakthroughs, and key trends shaping the near future of AI. Let's jump right in. The biggest story shaking up the AI world this week comes from Meta Platforms. CEO Mark Zuckerberg just announced that Meta plans to invest between 60 and 65 billion in 2025 alone to power their ambitious AI goals. This is one of the largest single-year investments in AI infrastructure we've ever seen, and it underscores the fierce competition among tech giants racing to dominate the AI arms race. Meta's spending is aimed at scaling out advanced data centers, purchasing even more cutting-edge AI chips, and accelerating research to keep their models and their products ahead of the curve. But it's not just about building AI in labs. The U.S. Department of Energy has also taken a pivotal step forward by identifying 16 public land sites for potential AI data center construction linked with new forms of energy generation, including next-generation projects like fusion. The move is designed to help speed up permitting and link AI's future with clean, sustainable power sources. This is especially crucial as the energy demands for AI model training and operations skyrocket. Pairing AI infrastructure expansion with energy innovation could become a winning formula as the technology continues to scale. It's not all smooth sailing, though. In a surprising turn, Microsoft has canceled its highly anticipated $1 billion data center project in Licking County, Ohio, raising concerns among industry watchers about the pace of AI expansion. Some analysts point to continued infrastructure and energy bottlenecks, and a recent pullback in Microsoft's AI data center leases has led to serious discussion about whether the generative AI investment frenzy may be cooling, or simply recalibrating amid real-world constraints. Regardless, chip companies like Intel remain committed to the area, suggesting the AI hardware gold rush is still on. And speaking of recalibration, let's turn our attention to the European Union, where Meta is resuming efforts to train its AI models, using public data shared by adults across Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. Nearly a year after halting such efforts due to privacy regulations, Meta received the green light to press ahead under strict EU data protection laws. The company will use users' posts and comments, excluding private messages and any data from minors, and will notify users directly so they can opt out. This development underscores the intense regulatory scrutiny that AI companies continue to face and will likely shape how models are trained on user data well beyond Europe. With all this activity, you might wonder, how close are we to truly human-level AI? According to the just-released Stanford AI Index report, we're making remarkable progress. In the past year alone, AI performance has soared across major benchmarks for language, reasoning, and coding, driven by both private and academic research labs. Coding problems that AI solved only 4% of the time in 2023 are now tackled successfully over 70% of the time. General question answering and multimodal understanding, how AI stitches together language, visuals, and more, have all seen record jumps in capability. Top industry leaders, including the CEO of Anthropic, predict that artificially intelligent systems could match or exceed Nobel Prize caliber reasoning across most fields by 2027. These AIs will not just process information, but autonomously control digital interfaces, generate new scientific discoveries, and potentially change the nature of work as we know it. Meanwhile, the cost to train and run high-performing AI models is plummeting, thanks to hardware breakthroughs, making powerful tools accessible to far more organizations than ever before. We're also witnessing AI's transformative impact across industries. Take healthcare, for example. AI-powered labs are revolutionizing how scientists design new molecules and treat disease. In one recent study, an AI-driven biology lab autonomously designed 92 potential nanobodies to fight COVID, with over 90% proving effective in laboratory tests. And in real-world diagnostics, AI systems are approaching, and in some cases surpassing, the accuracy of human physicians when diagnosing complex cases, hinting at a future where collaboration between doctors and digital assistants saves more lives than ever before. Meanwhile, in construction, AI is helping companies cut waste, improve safety, and manage increasingly complex projects. Investments continue pouring in as startups develop smarter workforce management platforms, and new AI-driven approaches promise breakthroughs in project management and efficiency in an industry facing acute labor shortages. Let's not overlook privacy. MIT's researchers recently unveiled a new framework for safeguarding sensitive AI training data that aims to preserve model performance while keeping user information secure. Tools like these will play a key role as the debate rages on about how much personal data should fuel future AI development. With open-source video generation tools growing in sophistication and regulatory frameworks tightening around data and copyright, 2025 looks set to redefine how AI shapes our work, our creativity, and even our daily routines. That's all for today's rundown. The world of AI is moving faster than ever, from mega investments shaping the future to new breakthroughs in performance and privacy to industries fundamentally rewired by machine learning. Thanks for tuning in to AI News Connect. If you enjoyed this update, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll never miss another AI News Blast. I'm Harry, signing off. See you next time for more stories at the cutting edge of artificial intelligence.